Following national protests in the wake of George Floyd's death, President Donald Trump today signed an executive order on policing, letting the country know their voices have been heard. Western Mass News reporter Sarah Gurnelli spoke with a local community activist about whether this is a step in the right direction. She joins us now live in Springfield with the latest. Sarah.
Chris, the community activist I spoke with saying the president signing this executive order means he understands that there's racial injustice in this country. President Donald Trump putting pen to paper Tuesday, signing an executive order on policing practices. This is in response to recent protests across the nation sparked by the officer-involved death of George Floyd.
We take historic action to deliver a future of safety and security for Americans of every race, religion, color, and creed.
Under the order, chokeholds will be banned unless an officer's life is at risk. Also, a database will be established to keep track of officers with excessive use of force complaints on their records. Western Mass News spoke with a community organizer, Terrence Mack, who says this is a step in the right direction, but he believes this database should be available for the public to see.
This tracking system that they're talking about should be made known to the public. So we know how to this officer, that officer, etc., and be aware of the law enforcement officials that are patrolling our neighborhoods.
The president also says a financial incentive will be given to police departments that set up co-responder programs where social workers join the police on nonviolent calls. That includes cases of mental health, addiction, and homelessness. That's something Max says could have saved Rashard Brooks' life, the black man in Georgia who was shot in the back by a white officer when police say he resisted arrest for failing a sobriety test over the weekend.
That situation could have been handled in so many different ways other than resulting in getting shot 2 times in the back. Or again, like this executive order will enact, could have called a mental health professional to step on the scene and remove him from that situation.
Locally, Max says he's focusing his energy not on what leaders can do for the community, but what the community can do for itself.
Right now, me and a team of educators, we're working on putting together a workshop that educates young adults on their rights, on emergency protocols for when encountering law enforcement, educating them on police brutality, educating them on.
And Mac is looking for educated volunteers to help in his program. If you're interested in helping, you can find his contact on our website. That's westernmassnews.com. Live in Springfield, Sarah Gurnelli, Western Mass News.